The G.E.M, Generic Electronic Control Module, is a type of body control module used by Ford. On the Mustang, it controls functions such as the warning chimes, warning lamps, interior lighting, windshield washer, and wipers. Scrap if dropped more than 20 centimeters. It is located in the driver's side footwell area, to the left of the fuse box. If you need to replace it, first disconnect the battery ground cable. You might need to move the fuse box. Remove 3 7mm fasteners and move the fuse box to the side to get a better view. The module has 5 connectors. The 3 at the bottom, you're just going to push down on the tab and pull. The ones on the side are a bit more difficult to get out. You're also going to push down on the tab and pull. But since it's in an awkward position, you might have trouble getting these out. And pull. Use a long flathead screwdriver to pry open the locking tab. Then slide the module towards the front of the vehicle. Here's another view of the locking tab with the fuse box in place. You're just trying to pry it open and slide the module out. When putting the G.E.M back in position, make sure you have plenty of space with the connectors there. Now's a good time to connect the 2 connectors on the side and gently put it back into position. Snug up the fasteners on the fuse box and reconnect your negative battery terminal. And that should be it. I hope you learned something. Have a good day.